Imagine this. You finally decide to start investing. You put your hard-earned money into the market, thinking you're on your way to financial freedom. But within months, your portfolio is bleeding red. You feel overwhelmed, frustrated, and worst of all, stuck. The truth? Most beginner investors make the same costly mistakes that can set them back years. But today, we're going to change that. In this video, we're breaking down the 7 most common investing mistakes beginners make, and more importantly, how you can avoid them. Stick around until the end, because the last mistake is one that even experienced investors still fall for. Let's dive in. Ever heard someone say, "I'll wait for the market to crash before I invest," or "now's not the right time"? This is called market timing, and it's one of the biggest traps new investors fall into. Here's a mind-blowing stat. If you missed just the 10 best days in the stock market over the last 20 years, your total returns would be cut in half. Instead of trying to guess the perfect time to invest, focus on time in the market. Investing consistently, whether the market is up or down, allows you to benefit from dollar-cost averaging, which reduces your risk over time. Quick example. In 2008, at the peak of the financial crisis, many people were terrified of investing. But those who consistently invested in an index fund, like the S&P 500, turned a massive profit in the years that followed. Question for you. Have you ever hesitated to invest because of market fears? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experience. Jumping into investments without a plan is like driving cross-country without a map. Before you invest, ask yourself, what is my goal? Retirement, wealth building, passive income? What is my time horizon? Short-term, long-term? What is my risk tolerance? Can I handle market dips without panicking? A study by Dalbar Inc. found that the average investor underperforms the market simply because they make emotional decisions. A clear plan keeps emotions in check and helps you stay the course. Ever heard the saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket"? Well, in investing, this is critical. Some beginners go all in on a single stock, like Tesla or Apple, hoping for massive gains. But what happens if that stock crashes? A real example. In 2001, Enron was one of the most admired companies in the world. People invested their entire savings into Enron stock. Then, overnight, the company collapsed due to fraud, wiping out billions. The solution? Diversification. Spread your investments across stocks, bonds, and real estate. Use index funds or ETFs to own a basket of stocks instead of just one. This way, if one company struggles, your entire portfolio doesn't take a massive hit. Remember Dogecoin or GameStop? Every few months, a new hot stock or crypto coin goes viral, and people rush in, hoping to make a quick fortune. While a few get lucky, most end up buying at the peak and selling at a loss once the hype dies down. Warren Buffett says it best. Be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. Instead of chasing the hype, focus on strong, fundamentally solid companies, long-term investing strategies, avoiding FOMO, fear of missing out. Have you ever fallen for a hype stock? Be honest. Comment below. A hidden mistake that can cost you thousands over time is not paying attention to investment fees and taxes. For example, if you invest in a mutual fund with a 1.5% annual fee, you might think it's nothing. But over 30 years, that fee can eat away 30 to 40% of your total returns. The fix? Use low-cost index funds, like Vanguard or Fidelity. Many have fees as low as 0.03% instead of 1% or more. Be tax efficient. Use tax-advantaged accounts like Roth IRAs or 401(k)s to reduce what you owe in taxes. A simple adjustment here can make you hundreds of thousands of dollars richer over your lifetime. Imagine you check your portfolio and you're down 30%. What do? Most beginners panic and sell, locking in their losses. But if history has taught us anything, it's this. The market always recovers over time. The biggest gains often come right after crashes. Example: in March 2020, when COVID-19 hit, the stock market plunged 35% in just weeks. Many people sold in fear, but those who held on or even invested more saw their portfolios double in the following 2 years. Moral of the story: market downturns are temporary, but losses are permanent if you sell. This is the biggest mistake, and unfortunately, it's one you can't fix later. The earlier you start investing, the more compound interest works in your favor. Example: Emily starts investing at 25, putting in $200 per month. By 65, she has $500,000. Jake waits until 35 to invest the same $200 per month. By 65, he only has $250,000. That's a $250,000 difference, just because Emily started 10 years earlier. The lesson? Start now. Even if it's just $50 a month, your future self will thank you. Let's recap. Avoid trying to time the market. Have a clear investment plan. Diversify your portfolio. Stay away from hype and FOMO. Keep fees and taxes low. Stay calm during market downturns. Start investing as early as possible. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And now, I have a challenge for you. Comment below with the biggest investing mistake you've made or almost made. Let's learn from each other. Oh, and if you want more investing tips every week, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. That's it for today. Happy investing, and I'll see you in the next video.